Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Gentlemen, my brothers, 88 family, this is the current state of the Mona Dam. We are now pumping from the dam itself to the second inlet, which is where the hose is right now going into. See there? This is the pump. Right, now basically speaking, from what I'm seeing here, if we look at any rainfall, very short, in short order, we'll have to start pumping from the dam to the first inlet, which is below this one. So we need to ensure that we have our drums them ready and them full up with water, because I tell you, it's gonna get serious, much more serious than this.
Viewers and subscribers, this what I'm showing you is for practically one. You, my viewers, say yo, prepare on yourself, because this is something will happen in the Kingston and St. Andrew mostly. You know, St. Catherine as well, when it come on to summer. Water shortage, Jamaica water crisis. Is it? Me now say the country areas no feel it, no people in the countries feel it too, you know, but most people in the countries is more self-independent when it comes to water. You get me? But this, you know, now when it comes to Kingston and St. Andrew, like the Mona Dam where they talk about right now with the water shortage, you see me? Is it that the road work contribute to a lot of the water shortage what gonna happen this year? Because me see rainfall certain ways, you see me? Watch this. I'm gonna show you a video of water being wasted in recent times when the road work are going like right now. With so many places done a cry for water shortage already because of the road work for weeks now. You see me? Some places not get no water and all these things were going. Much less know that Mona has said that them have a shortage of water in the dam and in urgent need of a rainfall. You see it? Next thing you know, you might soon hear say the Hermitage Dam and so on and so on. So people be aware, this is to alert citizens about the possibility of water shortage throughout sections of Jamaica. Alright? Anyways, you don't know the thing already, you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?